Mickey is her wreath. As Mom is our project. It's Christmas. What do you think? Mickey, that's Mama's. I said no. Mickey, it's enough of the playtime with mine. It's hers. Don't get carried away. It's Mama's. And you know it. So is the tree. Those are all hers. Yes. Yes. I love you. Okay. They circling. They've done it before. It ain't leaving. It's up there more than one, and they circle this area. And if you, I don't know, want to, you can hear it circling on this video. It's been circling since I filmed the last. They just don't go, dude. They're up there. I mean this. I've seen this here in DC before since I lived here, but not this intense, and certainly not trying to shine lights in my backyard and light on my roof. But now we're here doing that too. They're in this area. Okay, I can tell Silver Doll, you can connect the dots. They're just circling. Ever since they come up and started flying. And like right there, you can see out the window, right, when they fly straight over the roofs. Like, this is fucking no joke. Just see and listen to it fucking circle. It's not just one either. They're protecting their city. I can't talk about all this stuff too much, okay? About the street and anything. But I don't know. I mean, I hope that this picks up on a little phone. But they're just up there, dude. And then there's so many of them. One of them, I've seen this, just pops up and they start going down this row of houses, or they come up into their yards, and they don't play. No, they don't. Yeah. You can hear it, dude. I mean, I'm sitting here hearing it right now. It's not going nowhere. There's a whole bunch up there in the sky right now, over this remote area. And they keep coming, of course, to the house. They come to the house now. You can thank me for that, right? Yeah, I get a little bit of thanks for that. Here it is. It won't fly away. It stays up there. It's serious business. That's why I get like freaked out here by what stuff I've been writing. Freaked out is not the right word. Don't give me words about illusions of power, because I cannot fucking believe what I'm witnessing. Upset, whatever the word. I don't want my babies to become unhappy, because It's hard enough for them experiencing all this too. That's nice. I made that, by the way. Talk about this another day. I'm not quite done. It needs a few more berries on it. It's for fall. And that's winter. Oh, that's my winter creation. Okay, here it's coming back. There's Christmas in fall. You can see. Okay. It doesn't fly away, dude. I don't know if it's picking up on the camera. I'm going to put this up on the internet. Bye.